Other uses, other than being kai and warmth, would be companionship and being used as a tool for hunting and even tāmoko. Back in those days, they would starve the kurī a little bit. What they used to starve it for was so that the kurī would gather an appetite for a certain type of bug. It would scavenge for the bug, ingest it, and then the excrement would turn into ink for tāmoko usage, essentially. One of my tipuna named Ihenga had a kurī. Some accounts call him Pōtakatawhī. I knew him as Hau, the kurī, and he would accompany Ihenga across his journeys within the Te Arawa region. He was coming from Maketu ways into Rotorua area, and he lost his dog for a couple of days, but Hau, his dog, came back and spewed up a whole bunch of inanga or cockabullies, which led Ihenga to believe that there was a roto close by. So he discovered the lakes.